beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I do my vajacial. It's pretty simple and it's close to my waxing my underarm video. If you missed that video, make sure you go and check it out. You don't want to miss out on that. Okay, so it's gonna be the same steps, and I will be putting my arm process here on the screen, somewhere on the screen. You guys check that out, because of course I won't be showing my vagina, but you guys will be getting the live reactions. Okay, so first and foremost, I will be going with this anesthetic numbing spray, and I'll be spraying the vajacial. Okay, let me do it now, because probably by the time I introduce all those other stuff, it will be time for the numbing to kick in. Alright, I have to get numbing spray because I don't like pain. Who likes pain? So you're going to apply your pre-wax cleanser. That's the first step. You're going to apply it with some wipes. I'm using Dove brand. Of course you can use any wipes, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I don't always get Dove wipes, but I love their products. I'm going to fold the wipes and keep folding, and then I'm going to apply some. It's always spilling. I love the smell of these products overall, guys. That's the amount I'm going to use. Now I'm going to apply it to the vajacial. Okay, so yeah, apply, woo. Like, guys, I know this process, I won't like it, cause
feel my heart, it's beating, all my body's breathing, it's just you.
So now we're going to apply the wax to the vajacial. It's the same process like the arm. Just like with the vagina, you're going to do like smaller section, guys. Alright? Because you know it's broader and whatnot. I'm not anticipating it. Even though the numb spray is there, I'm not really anticipating, because whew. So it's drying at the moment. So alright. You guys ready? Alright, so you apply the wax going down, and you're going to pull it going down in the opposite direction. So you want to apply it and rip it off in the opposite direction that the hair grows. So now I'm going to rip it off. Woo-hoo. Pray for me. Woo! Alright, just a little bit. Alright, let's see what we have work with. Ooh. Alright, I think I'm going to apply another layer to it. I'm going to apply another layer to that top layer, make it a little thicker and easier to rip off. Because that's one of the lessons I learned from the first waxing video. If you missed that video, it will be in the iCard as well as the description. It's my arm. When I was shaving my arm, I learned a lot of little tricks from that video. So the thicker the wax is, the less pain, one, and two, the more hair of course comes off. Well, at least in my opinion. I'm not a pro, so probably the pros will disagree, but that's just me. Okay, can't kill me for my opinion. It's drying, yeah, because you want to wait until it's dry. Alright, pat your ankle. If you know, you know. If you know that song, you know that song, okay? Alright, I'll let you know when we're ready. Woo wee! Shit. Are we ready? I'll let you know. Wow. This, me not think this help with no. Right, maybe just a little. Not major. Wow. We're ready, guys. We're gonna rip. Pray, 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 pray. Woo! Damn! Wow. Alright. The pain is not as bad like the salon. But look at the hairs. No. See, guys? Look at all the hair. So, and you can see, guys, it come out from the root. Like you just see every little detail. Wow. So, we're going to apply some more to the same spot. Because of course all of it didn't come off, so we are going to go in with another layer. Alright, guys, going to go on another side because of course we can't all let this sit and dry, you know. So I just go in with it all over the vagina. And then I'll take little sections and rip off. Alright, guys. So now the vagina is all covered with wax, waiting on it to dry. Then I'm going to take little sections and rip it off.
So we're waiting, waiting for the pain? Oh wow, you're really waiting for pain. Well, not so much. The numbing
spray really helps. I won't even lie to you guys, it helps. Because when I get this done at the salon, it's way more painful, guys. Way more painful. So I agree that the numbing spray helps. Guys, we're ready for rip. Ready? Let's go. Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Alright, let's go. Woo! Alright. We got some more. Rip and forget this itch. Woo! That worked. Probably because I closed my eyes. Alright. Look at that. These are all the pieces. I am going to apply now the wax off, and just to get the remaining wax that's left on the vagina, because I'm finished waxing and down there is clear and pretty. But man, I can honestly say, like, I prefer the arm. I really hate waxing my vagina, and it's not even because I'm doing it. Even when I go to the salon, I'm a big baby with my vagina. Like, woo! Every rip the lady rip, just like how you hear me yelling right now, that's how I yell in the salon. I'm sorry. I don't think nothing helps with the vagina. Waxing, I did feel a numbness in my arm. I don't know if it's because your mindset have a lot to do with everything, you know, guys. So I don't know if it's because I know that the vagina is just, the process is painful. I make up my mind and say, oh, it's painful. I don't know. It could be because your mindset is everything, guys. So I don't know if it's because I know that the vajacial hurts a lot, why I just make up my mind that, oh, I'm gonna be in a lot of pain. Why I felt a lot of pain, because with my arm, the numbness spray did work with my arm. I won't even kid you guys, it worked with my arm. So probably it's because I know that the vagina is painful, and I just have the mindset to feel pain. Why I feel pain? Your mind is everything. So I just align your mindset with the process, and you probably won't be in any pain. Don't be like me. Be better than me in your waxing process. So yeah, this brings me to the end of the video. Unfortunately, I can't show my vagina, but I gave you guys helpful steps. After I take my shower, I'm going to apply the slow grow to it, and it has argan oil in it, and of course when you apply this, then it will make the slow down the growing process. Until my next video, guys, I'm gonna take my shower. One love.